Effect of coronavirus on electronics market, embedded systems, IoT productions. Earlier this month, major tech companies announced they would temporarily shut down all corporate offices, manufacturing factories, and retail stores across China. These companies include Apple, Samsung, Microsoft, Tesla, and Google. Google has also closed offices in nearby Hong Kong and Taiwan. What is the world's greatest electronics market? Here the answer is Shenzhen, but where is it? Then we can search it as electronic goods manufacturing city in China? Wow, again the answer is same. It is Shenzhen. Can we relate it with coronavirus? Let's check the China industrial zone versus corona-affected area where the coronavirus outbreak. We can see from this comparison the biggest electronic markets of China, their employees, the workers, everything is affected. Hangzhou, an eastern city of almost 10 million that is home to Alibaba and many other Chinese tech giants, announced on Friday, February 7, Lincoln Chinese, that on the advice of its coronavirus management team, all pharmacies in the city would stop selling fever and cough medications. Lincoln Chinese, effective the next day. The measure will apply as long as the city remains at the highest level of public health alert level. Citizens with these symptoms should go to the hospital as soon as possible, the notice said. China is the world's largest Internet of Things, IoT, market with 64% of the 1.5 billion global cellular connections, including the rapidly growing mobile IoT licensed low-power wide-area network, LPWAN, technologies. Let's check the US and China trade standoff. What's at stake? The amount of computer and electronics things was imported from China to US is really high. This is the countries confirmed the coronavirus in all over the world. When we are talking about embedded systems, IoT. The name of 3 boards came for mass users. Those are Arduino, Raspberry Pi and Esp versions. Let's check the effect of coronavirus on those production. Raspberry Pi temporarily closes Cambridge store. This was published at 16 March. Also, Philip Colligan, the CEO Raspberry Pi Foundation, cancelled their Coolest Projects events. Arduino manufacturing unit is also affected. We also uses Node MCU, different versions of especially. Letter from CEO of the manufacturer of Node MCU board. Espressif. Recently there has been an unfortunate coronavirus epidemic in China. We have taken measures to work around the restrictions caused by the situation, and as a result, based on our current assessment of the situation, the disruption to our operations will be minimal. We and our suppliers are expected to resume operations on the 10th of February. Our teams in Europe, India and China continue in our work to best serve our customers. Should you have any questions or requests, please do write to our business team at sales@espressif.com. Lastly, we thank our supporters, commercial customers and makers. IoT is a powerful technology that can be used to create solutions that could solve the pressing issues of our time, and we continue to believe in our open source approach, robust and low-cost solutions that can help everyone develop applications seamlessly. Be safe.